This bird's beak is a needle, while some birds stack twigs. This one is sewing. The tailor bird. The tailor bird uses its sharp beak to punch holes in leaves, then threads them together with spider silk or plant fibers. The result: a camouflaged, weatherproof nursery that hangs safely off the ground. This isn't just craftsmanship, it's strategic genius. By using living leaves, the nest stays green and hidden from predators far longer than a bunch of dried twigs ever could. It's the ultimate in sustainable safe housing. The original green architect. If you're in awe of this feathered tailor, give us a subscribe. On a scale of 1 to total disaster, how good are you at sewing? Next up, the insect that farms its own food inside its own